welcome to a quick look on a Roland SoundCanvas SC-55. I've been on the lookout for this for a while now already, hoping to have some proper retro gaming music. And this came up in a local auction site a while ago, and I decided that I'm gonna have it. Lucky for the seller. And he was really quick to send it to me. Unfortunately, I don't have the necessary cables. Hoped I had, but this cheap Deal Extreme USB MIDI adapter doesn't seem to work. I've tested it with other devices and no reaction, so that's just crap. But anyway, back to the device. As I don't have anything to connect it with to my computers, the only thing I can do is actually play the demo songs. And those are actually quite easy to get to, so you press the two part buttons down and power it on. Okay, let's try again. And power it on, and then it will ask init GS, and that we confirm with pressing the all button, and then we have the demo mode on. So let's turn on the input for that, and I will say goodbye so my voice won't interfere. Enjoy the sounds of the SoundCanvas.
Do 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 do.